Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove a learner from your Academy. Open the Manage Learners and Teams section. Here you'll see a list of your learners as well as separate deleted learners panel for reference and statistics. Find the learner you want to remove, open their profile and click on the three dots in upper right corner. From the menu, select Delete Learner option. You can choose one of two options. First one is simple deletion. The learner will be removed from the list of active users and will no longer be counted in Academy statistics. Their data will remain in the system so you can restore the profile at any time. To do this, go to Delete Learners section. Find the profile and click Restore Learner. Please note, while the profile is deleted, the same email address cannot be used to register a new learner. The second option is irreversible learner deletion. This option completely deletes all the learner's data, statistics, and progress. Once confirmed, the profile cannot be restored. This action is irreversible. In this case, the learner's email can be used again to register a new account, but the system will treat it as completely new profile with no connection to the previous data. So you can choose the deletion method that best fits your needs. Either temporarily hide the learner or delete them permanently. Thank you. Have a good day.